Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious biscuits using pancake mix. You will need just 3 main ingredients: 2 cups of your favorite pancake mix, 1/4 cup of cold butter, and about 2/3 cup of milk. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This easy method saves time and delivers wonderfully fluffy biscuits every time. Now let's get mixing. Start by pouring 2 cups of your pancake mix into a spacious mixing bowl. Next, take your cold butter and cut it into small, pea-sized pieces. Add these butter pieces to the pancake mix. Using a pastry cutter or even a fork, work the butter into the mix until it resembles coarse crumbs. This step is crucial for creating those flaky layers. With your crumbly mixture ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in about 2/3 cup of milk, stirring gently until a soft, cohesive dough forms. Transfer the dough to a surface lightly dusted with pancake mix and knead it gently, about 10 to 12 times. Then, roll the dough out to a thickness of about 1/2 to 1 inch and use a biscuit cutter to create your perfect rounds. Finally, it's time to bake. Carefully place your cut biscuit rounds onto the prepared baking sheet. Ensure they are close but not touching too much, which helps them rise. Pop them into your preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until their tops turn a beautiful golden brown. Once baked, remove them and enjoy your warm, fluffy biscuits with butter, jam, or gravy. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.